What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Bentley BENTAYGA EWB MULLINER. Now the EWB stands for extended wheelbase, but guys, let's take a walk around to show you. The color of this car is called Moonbeam. Now this is how gorgeous this car looks in person if you're standing right here right now. But before we get right to the details of this beautiful beast, let's just take a walk around to show you how gorgeous this car actually looks. Now, amazing lights, amazing rear design. Love all these black finishes they have on the exterior. Love how the door handles are also having that black touches here and there. And the side mirrors, of course, it's in this gloss black finish for the left and right, together with the extended sides of the car, together with the front and the back. Now, let's take a closer look when we start off with the lights, shall we? Now, the beautiful lights that we have right here, even when it's turned off, you will notice the amazing cuts that we have on the lights to make it look absolutely luxurious. We have another one right here, that's where your turn indicator goes. These are your lights together with your high beam and your main lights as well. The DRLs are both on the inside, turn indicators are on that side. So very gorgeous looking lights. Love how they have this black lining on the exterior for both of these lights. Gorgeous. Now let's check out the front bumper that we have right here, opening for air to go through. Down here as well, you got some touches down there. Together with the side right here, you also get airflow happening for other purposes. Amazing design for your black front lining right here in gloss black. It looks absolutely gorgeous indeed. Sensors located here, located there, located at the side of the car as well. And we'll take a look at that shortly, but admire how gorgeous this grille actually looks. You get your 360 camera, the front camera plugged in right here, as you can see. If you're here in person, you will notice that there are radiators at the back there. So it does look absolutely gorgeous, guys. Check this out. Whew, beautiful. Now, you get your Bentley badging right there at the front hood. The front hood is designed in such a way that it cuts like this all the way to the back, including the side right here. It goes straight to the back. Now, gorgeous looking design for the front. Love how this line goes straight on right to the center of the badging as well. Beautiful. Amazing front. Bold appearance. Gorgeous looking car. Okay, now let's take a look at the wheels. The wheels of this are 22-inch. If you notice, they are Pirelli tires. 22-inch wheels. Now, I love how they have these grey finishes on the inside right here with some silver outline, some sort of chrome lining on the outside. Gorgeous, gorgeous touch indeed. Love the Bentley badging right in the center. Your Bentley calipers right there, and also your discs are solid disc brakes. Gorgeous indeed. Just check out how beautiful they look. Now let's take a look on the other side as well, because that is without the price tag, so it's a better look in terms of how well it's being presented. Amazing, right? The wheels, gorgeous indeed. Now check out the rear. Beautiful. Now let's jump to the back. Since we're talking about the wheels, let's head down to the rear part of the wheels to show you guys how amazing the back part actually looks as well. So same design for the wheels. You get your Pirelli car tires over there, and it's also designed in such a way that it looks elegant as well for the front. You got some grey finishes on this side, you got some silver finishes in between the wheels also as well. The Bentley badging right there. You got your brake calipers in black, solid disc brakes right inside there. Beautiful as well. Now, tire size is something we did not talk about yet. So the rear tires are 285, 40 and 22. So that's the rear tire size. Now, how about the front? The front of this actually has, there we go, 285, 40, R22. So amazing. These are the front tire size. So they are on the side, they also have the MULLINER wording right there, as you can see. Beautiful, right? Love all this design-like feature for this, similar towards the front of the grille. Now let's move on to the side mirrors. I love how they have this black half cut of a design. Down here follows the body color, which is the Moonbeam, and then the side also follows, but then the top half right here is in this gloss black finish. Now you do have your gloss black all over the window frame, as you can see. Love how this looks, including the black piece right here. You got some black on the top right there, and I will talk about that in a while more. But just check out how the combo of the Moonbeam, got some black finishes right there, you got some grey wheels, but you got the black lining as well at the door that goes from the front all the way to the rear. Your door handles, you also get these gloss black finishes right here and here, but you get the Moonbeam color right in the center as well. I love it. It's not bad. Now, the doors are actually keyless, so put your hand in, the doors open up automatically. Now, the beautiful part is this. Can you see it's actually moving, if you notice it, right? So it's a paid option to go for. Stunning piece of art. Absolutely elegant as well. Now, Bentley badging right there. I love how they have this silver lining right there. Gorgeous indeed. The texture on the door, wow. Different colors happening right here and right there. Absolutely nice indeed. The finishing of this is superb. You got your lock unlock happening over there, window adjustments right here, memory seats 1 and 2, compartment storage down there, and of course you got your sound system speakers right here, Bang & Olufsen speakers. Gorgeous design. There's also lights on the inside part right here. Hopefully the camera can capture it, but if it's turned off, you're able to enjoy how beautiful it looks. Check that out. Can you see it's lighted up, including the side of the door as well. So these also have lights right here. Gorgeous touch. Beautiful. Now, you get your Mulliner wording right here as well, at the side of the door. Handcrafted in Crewe, England. Love that touch. Amazing indeed. Love how plush the carpets actually look. You got your Bentley badging right there, over there as well. Amazing red outer lining. Hotspur is the red name of it. I love how they have all of these red stitches right here together with some two-tone stitching, so you don't really see grey. You get these stitched up Bentley badging for the seats. Gorgeous indeed. Love how the seats actually look and feel. Absolutely soft and nice. Superb quality, guys. Finishing is absolutely stunning. Mulliner wording right at the dashboard. Again, your Hotspur color right here. Leather all over the place. Now if you open this up, glove compartment goes down there. Gorgeous indeed. The center console, 2 cup holders. You got your hill descent to slow down the speed while you're going downhill. You got your start stop button happening right here. You have other things like your driving mode comfort, your traction control, your gear knob is over there. Of course, you got your P for parking, and you got your drive and all the other selectors, hazard light, handbrakes and parking sensors and whatnot. So yeah, very cool setup for the center. You got your NFC for your wireless charging happening right down there. Love how they have this red marking in the center of the console, and of course the Bentley clock that we have right there. Gorgeous touch. I love how it looks, man. Damn, the quality of the air vents right here, shaped of like a wing, you know. So very cool indeed. Love that touch. Amazing touch. Now it also comes with a glass roof right there. Now only if the car is started we can actually see how it is, but in the meantime let's just admire how the car looks. For the passenger seat, once again, beautiful texture, red lining all over the place. Side here, centerpiece right there. Gorgeous look. Gorgeous. Now let's check out the rear doors, how amazing it actually looks. Now fully opened, it opens up to that angle. Again, front has the lighting, the rear also have it as well, so very nice indeed. Black touches here, over here and here. As I mentioned earlier, over the half part of the door on top, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Now you do get your shades. These blinds actually go down if you don't wish to actually have them on. Check out the doors. You got lock and unlock over here, window adjustments right there. You got lightings on the inner part of the door. It pops up and then it goes off. Hopefully you guys can see it, but yeah, it's right there. So you got compartment storage down here. You have a reclining seat button also located right here as well. Very nice indeed. And you also get your memory seats for one person. Bang & Olufsen sound system located right there. You got your Mulliner wording right here. Again, handcrafted in Crewe, England. Love that touch, absolutely stunning, gorgeous. Wow, check this out, man, dude. I love how they have this touch right here for you to sit down comfortably, put your stuff right there. Amazing touch indeed. Now let's close that back. Quality, guys, damn. Love how the other paddings that they have right here for other purposes. But yeah, you can actually put your leg right here for, that's the difference between that and this. The padding right here is superb. So this goes down so you can actually rest your leg right on top here. So this seat goes right forward. So beautiful touch from Jasmine from here. So gorgeous indeed, guys. Now, center here, of course, is for aircon and whatnot. You can even close the door if you wish to from this side, or you can open up the door from there. So it's a button for a shortcut that you can choose. You got your cup holders located right there. And these are the seats that you get for the rear. I love the cushion that you get with it. Very soft and plush cushion. Once again, the stitching right here, you got red stitching right here, red lining over here. Again, the hot spur color on this is absolutely amazing. Love the grey finish on the inside part of the car. Gorgeous finish, guys. Check out the lights lighted up for the speakers together with the door. Amazing touch. The centerpiece, gorgeous indeed. Now, let's open up the rear. But before that, love how the Bentley badging is right here as well. The top right there, since we're already here, Bentley roof rack. This is a Bentley roof rack. This whole thing is a superb piece. Got your Bentley badging right there as well. Lock and unlock for you to keep stuff in. So love how the car actually has that as an option to add on. Now, to open up the rear boot, press right there and it opens right up. So of course these items belong to the car, but we're not going to be looking at that. We're just going to be checking out the heights to lower down and increase the height for the car. You get some extra storage that we have down here, which is not much, more like a tire. Yeah, actually, yeah. It's just for you to keep your other stuff, which is your repair kit and also the spare tire that comes, collapsible tire for the Bentley Bentayga. So love how they have the shade right here. You can actually remove it if you wish to. That's why there's a handle right there. You have your center seat belt because the center column can actually come up for you to use that as a rear seat. But let's close that back. Let's check out the rear. Gorgeous indeed. Now, the exhaust pipes are in this blacked out finish. Absolutely gorgeous. Check out the underneath part of the car. The exhaust pipe goes from left to the right. Lovely touch. Love how the number plate goes right there. Very nice indeed. Very, very nice indeed. The Moonbeam color on this is absolutely stunning. Now, let's open up the doors. Since this door is already open, it's super lightweight to actually open it up. But yeah, we forgot to show you the seats. But yeah, the seats adjustments are over here. You can adjust it forward, backward. Yeah, you can adjust the height, the lumbar support if you wish to. The back adjustments, how much you want it to come out. Head adjustments, the extensions for the seats, you also can adjust it from here. Love how you have the reclining feature. Again, you hear the Mulliner wood right here, handcrafted in Crewe, England. Very nice. Again, love how this is actually a video that's playing. You know, it's like a, yeah, it's a moving Bentley logo. Again, door handles right here. You get your window adjustments right there. Memory seats, 2 of them. And this one right here doesn't have that feature of reclining the whole seat because the driver's side is on the right side. So that's something that's different. You get it once again, storage space right there. Cool. Love how it looks. Mulliner wording right here. This part right here is for you to keep some stuff. Amazing place for you to charge your phone right down there. Now, if I were to press this button right there, of course, if I hold on to it longer, I believe, the door actually closes. Cool. That's so cool, man, dude. So, amazing touch indeed. Now let's check out the front of this car. So, driver's side, here we are. And what you'll notice is that you have an amazing two-tone finish of a steering wheel. Love how the steering wheel actually looks. The Mulliner wording at the dashboard right there. You got your air vents right here. This is to shut off the airflow from this fan. And every fan has their very own switch just like this. So that's kind of cool. Window adjustments for the front and the rear. Child lock for the back. You got your side mirror adjustments together with your heated side mirrors, I believe, located right there, lock and unlock. Door handles right there. You got some lighting all around the door side, including here as well. Beautiful. Bang & Olufsen speakers right there. Memory seats 1 and 2. Your boot opening is right there. Compartment storage down here. Again, your logo right there. Amazing. You got these Bentley brake pedals. Love how they have that B texture right there. Very plush carpet. Love how it feels. Love how it looks. Gorgeous seat once again. Red stitching here and there. Absolutely stunning, guys. Now, I'm going to try and hop into the driver's seat just to show you guys how comfortable it actually looks to be sitting in here. Beautiful, man. This is beautiful. Tons of buttons for your climate control, seat ventilating systems, phone navigation, home, media, radio. All of it you can control through here. Yeah, this car of course has to be started in order for you to see stuff, but I won't be doing that today. Nevertheless, check out the paddle shifts right here, negative, positive, upshift, downshift, right? So you got your wiper adjustments right here, and also you got your turn indicators right here as well, including, actually wait, turn indicators are right here, sorry. Your light adjustments are also there. These ones are for your cruise control and the speed and the distance that you set. So it's not on the steering wheel, but it's basically over there. So I like how they have it. They got your turn indicators together with your light. They got your cruise control indicator right there, together with your wiper adjustments over there. Lighting adjustments other than that are over here as well. So that's a very cool touch. Love how they have the DRLs running right now. So the DRLs are on. We'll check out how it looks like. Side lights are on. Let's head out. Check that out. These are how gorgeous the lights actually look, guys. Absolutely stunning. I just love how it looks. Check out the cuts, man, dude. Oof. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous lighting. Check out this part right here. Damn. Looks beautiful, man. Now, let's jump to the rear to show you guys how the rear lights look like. Amazing, right? You do see some cuts here and there. Hopefully the camera is able to capture it. What about these ones right here? Are you able to see it? Or is it too bright? Does look absolutely nice. You got to be here to see it in person because you are able to tell that there are some cuts happening on the inside right there. So beautiful touch for this. Now let's turn on the hazard light to show you guys. Right there, side mirrors are located. Left and right becomes the turn indicator. Gorgeous looking car. The Moonbeam color is absolutely stunning. Again, this car comes with the top part right here. Check that out. Damn. Beautiful. Now, of course, if you don't wish to go for that, it always can be removed because not many people wish to carry something right on the top of the car. But yeah, this was placed on this car. If you don't wish to have that on top, you can also take it off and it will be just as clean looking as the other cars that we have right there. So gorgeous car, gorgeous spec, beautiful, beautiful brand. So yeah, so that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Bentley cars, do head down to Bentley Kuala Lumpur, where you can locate this car and many other gorgeous cars that they have displayed right here. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.